Hello dear children, good morning. Children, today I am going to start with the reading part of your fourth lesson or energy resources. So all of you open page number 245 or energy resources. RENERGY energy, RESOURCES resources or energy resources. Resources. Nature has PROVIDED provided us many things like air, water, SUNLIGHT, sunlight, MINERALS, minerals, forest and wildlife that prove useful to us in many ways. These gifts are called natural resources. Things made by humans using these natural resources are called human-made resources. All these resources helps us in meeting meeting our daily needs. Types of natural resources. All resources on earth are CLASSIFIED classified into two CATEGORIES into two categories. RENEWABLE renewable and NONRENEWABLE non-renewable resources. Renewable resources. Resources that can be REPLENISHED replenished naturally over time. These resources can be GENERATED generated over and again. So they are also known as inexhaustible. INEXHAUSTIBLE inexhaustible resources. Examples include WIND wind, water and sunlight. Non-renewable resources. Resources that are not replenished at the pace pace at which they are consumed. These resources cannot be replenished once finished. FINISHED finished. They are also known as exhaustible resources. EXHAUSTIBLE exhaustible resources. Examples include fuels, coal, PETROLEUM petroleum, NATURAL natural gas, and metals 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 like iron, COPPER copper, ALUMINIUM aluminium, gold, etc. Renewable resources. Renewable energy is generated generated using the power of natural resources like sunlight, water, wind and biomass. Solar, ENERGY energy. Solar energy is the energy that comes from the sun. It is HARNESSED harnessed using solar PANELS panels. It is used in APPLIANCES appliances like HEATERS heaters and COOKERS cookers. Wind is also used to GENERATE generate, ELECTRICITY electricity using WINDMILLS windmills. River water and TIDES tides are used for GENERATING generating, ELECTRICITY electricity. Biomass energy is DERIVED derived from ORGANIC organic material that comes from plants and animals. For example, agricultural 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 waste like cow dung, DUNG cow dung. Biomass is used for HEATING heating and COOKING cooking, especially in rural areas. Next, non-renewable resources. Mineral FUELs fuels like coal, petroleum and natural gas are some non-renewable energy resources. Coal is the most important important mineral used for GENERATING generating heat and electricity, RUNNING running, STEAM steam, ENGINES steam engines and MACHINES machines in FACTORIES factories. Petroleum is mainly used to produce PETROL petrol, DIESEL diesel and other products. Petrol and diesel are used as fuel to run VEHICLES vehicles on land, air and water. KEROSENE kerosene and LIQUEFIED liquefied petroleum gas are used in cooking. Natural gas is used as fuel in many vehicles. Conservation of resources. CONSERVATION conservation of RESOURCES resources. We should not waste our resources and use them wisely. WISELY wisely. OVERUSE overuse and WASTAGE wastage of non-renewable resources LEADS leads to their DEPLETION depletion. The following steps should be UNDERTAKEN undertaken to CONSERVE conserve our resources. We should plant more trees. We should not pollute our natural resources. We should reduce or DEPENDENCE dependence on non-renewable resources and DEVELOP develop ways to use renewable resources better. So this is all about your fourth lesson, our energy resources. So once go through the today's video, children. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay, bye children, thank you.